If you're looking at getting a crowbar, get one that you want for a lifetime because these beauties last and you might as well get the best one to start with. This is the Spec Ops 15-inch crowbar. It is made of high carbon steel and has a lifetime warranty. It is impressive. I actually love the paint job on it. I'm sure over time this will wear off, but the elements that make this crowbar impressive will not. It has the main curved head rocker here, and this is the main reason why I need a crowbar. We are about to be removing a lot of trim and baseboards in a DIY house project, and I needed a solid crowbar for that, which this can go down in between the baseboard and the wall and wedge out those boards without causing damage. You can also use this to remove nails, but it also has this teardrop point right here, which is more ideal for any type of nail removal. Just get it in there and bend up and it will pull it out. And then finally, you have this crowbar tip as well. Super powerful, better for anything that isn't such a tight corner. This is sturdy. It has quite a lot of heft to it. It's not moving at all. Excellent Spec Ops crowbar. Definitely recommend.